Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite drawing channel. Today we have a special drawing tutorial in celebration of Republic Day. Let's dive into today's artwork. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSS channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. Use A4, A3 size drawing paper, 2B pencil for drawing, and have a drawing pad for support. You can find the links to these products in the description below, which are shortlisted by CSS experts. This tutorial is meant to develop your memory drawing, figure study, environment creation. For today's artistry trivia, what does the term Republic in Republic Day of India signify? Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's take a quick look at the drawing we did last year. It's a beautiful representation of the spirit of Republic Day. If you missed that tutorial, make sure to revisit it for some creative ideas. The link is in the description below. Now, for this year's drawing, we're going to capture the essence of unity and the passing on of traditions from one generation to the next. We have two men and a young boy, symbolizing the bond between generations. Start by drawing the face in an almond-shaped outline. Then moving on to the torso, let's draw a curved rectangle. And for the legs, we will draw cylinders and complete the leg sketch by drawing the round feet. Let's draw the character of the young boy who, like you all, is the future of the nation. The outline for the face will be oval shape and for the torso will be a curved rectangle. Keep in mind that we are drawing the side pose. We will draw the legs in a simple manner like shown. For the arms, remember that one of his arms will be stretched out as he is receiving the flag from the teacher. Let's now move on to our last character, the father of the boy. The posture of the father is slightly bent forward as he is trying to encourage his child to embrace receiving the flag. The body outline will be same as we have drawn before, oval-shaped face, a curved rectangular torso and cylindrical legs. As we continue with the drawing, focus on the details that will bring the scene to life. Pay attention to their expressions. The teacher should have a warm and proud smile, while the father could have a supportive and encouraging expression. For the background, we will be drawing grass field for the ground, two pine trees in the back, and the simplistic beautiful blue sky. Now, let's bring some color into our drawing. Color your drawing with the color scheme shown. Remember to add shadows and highlights to make the characters pop. Don't forget to choose the vibrant and patriotic colors for our beautiful Indian flag. As we add the final touches, emphasize the sense of unity and tradition in your artwork. The small details, like the way the father gently pushes the boy forward, contribute to the overall narrative of the drawing. And there you have it, our Republic Day drawing, capturing the beautiful connection between generations. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question. The right answer is the term Republic in Republic Day signifies that India is a sovereign state where the power is vested in the hands of the people and the head of the state is an elected representative, namely the President of India. Did you know about this already or did you learn something new today? Let us know in the comments below. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the Creative Skills Society YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSS.